Good day, my dear modelers. Today I will be having a quick peek inside the box of this FM-2 Wildcat by Arma Hobby in 1/72nd scale. I'm trying a new format where I film everything and then do voiceovers afterwards. So most of this video is just going to be some ambient music, and then we'll have a short conclusion in the end. Enjoy. Okay, so in conclusion, guys, I just want to say this is a quite a good kit by Arma Hobby. It's quite detail packed considering the scale, and you get quite a lot for your price. You get pre-cut masks, some good decals, and some good details as well. You get a fret of photo etched, and you get marking options for 6 different versions. And I do think especially the RAF one is really cool and quite unusual. And then of course it's quite easily assembly and a good instruction booklet. So I do think this is a good kit for a beginner, or just if you want a really quick build. And that's why I'm gonna do this kit as the first full build on my channel. And it's gonna, I'm not sure yet, but it's gonna take a few weeks, I guess. And if you have any feedback or constructive criticism, feel free to put it down in the comments, as that would help me a lot. And I just want to say thank you for watching, and hope to see you around.